Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we disable guys color inversion mode setting in our Infinix phone. Guys, we want to disable guys this color inversion setting. So how can disable in your Infinix phone? In this video friends, I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So friends, how can you disable guys? In this video I will show you guys. First of all guys, you will have to turn on guys your phone setting to disable guys your color inversion mode setting. Then guys we will scroll guys, and guys you can see guys your phone is special function setting guys. So guys you will have to click here, then guys click on accessibility menu setting, then guys again scroll friends, you can see guys your color inversion mode setting. Friends, tap here to disable this right side icon guys, tap here, then guys color inversion mode will disable in your Infinix phone guys. You can see guys everything is fine in your phone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to disable color inversion. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.